Let's compare those clogs.
This is the last one. Not a lot. So in terms of comparison for arch support, this one wins it. And which one comes second? This one comes second. And then which one is third? This one is third. So if I'm comparing arch support, this one has the most. You cannot see very well. And this one is second, this one is third, and this is the last.
Yeah, I hope you can see better. But I've worn these shoes for about 2 years, so that's how I know.
In terms of elasticity, I can just have a quick twist like this, just to give you an idea. This is for the first one, the second one, and you will notice the second one has removable insoles, which is great if you have another shoes that you want to fit it into. So worth mentioning, but I'm just trying to test it. This compared to this one, hard to tell. Honestly, hard to tell. This one, yeah, same thing, hard to tell. This one is the most flexible, but I've worn it for about 2 years, so I should also mention that. The other ones are freshly new, but this one is definitely the most flexible. Let me try again. Oh, I think this one comes second, yes. So it's hard to tell. I'm just trying to go by a short squeeze. So I'll say this one comes second, this one is third. See if I were to rank it. This one being first, being much more softer, if I can put it in that term. This one coming second, and this one is third, and this one is the last one. Another element of comparison is the wear. So as you can see, this one is worn out. I've worn it for about 2 years, so this is what it will look like after 2-3 years. So yeah, you are advised. It's not the best looking shoes. It's very comfortable, but definitely not good looking after 2-3 years. And you see those traces. I shower every day with them, so the water stays there, and no matter how you clean it up, it stays. So that's the inconvenient part of it. This one, since they're new, it's hard for you to tell how they will look like in 1-2 years time, but you know, you can make an educated guess on those. Yeah. We compare how they fit and how comfortable they are, and I'll keep wearing them for like an hour or a day, and then give you a better indicator. So go with the first one. I've worn them for 2 years, so I am quite comfortable and happy with those. The only inconvenience, as you can see, is just the look, which over time just gets uglier and uglier. So this is probably the most comfortable one, just on the feel of it. So this isn't bad. This isn't bad in terms of comfort. I like. Not as spongy as the first one, but close, and also don't feel the same arch support. So this one, the tag is there. I'll remove it. I'll cut it later. But you can feel a small difference, but really very noticeable. The last one, I think this is the one with over 100,000 reviews. It feels slightly better, but barely noticeable. So I want to compare. Hard to tell. This is more comfortable than this one. I feel it's spongier, but I like the height of this. It has it's a higher than this one, so that's why I'm hesitant to skip this second. And because this one has the portable insoles, removable insoles, I might actually go for this one as second. Your feet are sinking in is barely noticeable. This, in terms of just comfort, second, third, and last. So that's why I'll rank it, and this is first. There you go. I'll just wear them for 1 day each, shower with them, and see how they behave, and let you guys know. Voila. Alright, so this is what this looks like after 1 year. On this side, no problem, but on this side, you see this hole there? You see? That's what you get after 1 year. So this is the insole, which is really original, because you can remove it, use it in any other shoes. So the advantage of this is its aesthetics. It looks nice, clean, and you have to choose between that and this one. This is the one I'm using now. I can just show you. I use it for 2 years, so this is what it looks like after 2 years. Look at the wear. Nothing to complain about the comfort, but the aesthetics is not appealing. I shower with it every day. You see what it looks like every time. So you have to choose between either comfort with this one or aesthetics with the other one.